Hey guys, today's February the 20th of 2013, and I want to show you my thoughts on the euro, on support and resistance, and what's it doing, and where could it possibly go. So with that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult someone professional. I'm just a guy that looks at charts, spirals, Fibonacci levels, trend lines, fans, and just make my own thoughts on what I see in the chart. So with that being said, let's get right into it. This is a daily, and I just want to share that this right here is a support for the daily euro right here. This is a fib fan. This is a 61.8, and that's going to be that level, that 33.20. This is a daily candle, so look, its selling pressure is pretty strong, and it could find support there. I also want to show you my monthly price and time grid, which is this right here. This is the beginning of the resistance, and it could find support actually right here at that 30.53. This is a monthly, so it's going to take a while to get down there. It's probably going to build into March, and it could probably find it here, or it probably could find it right here at that 29.04. So these are big angles to watch on the monthly. I also want to show you my 2-year price and time. This is another support right here of an angle. This probably is the 4x1, and this is a level right here that I have as 33. Interesting number if you are into numerology. So this is an angle that it's been finding support. If it cracks this, it could probably go sideways, consolidate, or just head down and find this level. So as of right now, this is a key level to watch. I also want to show you my 724 low chart, and this is pretty much where it found resistance at a measured move from the 400%, which is at 34.34. So this is definitely resistance right now, and it's kind of support here. So we're going to see what's going to do. The next level, if you want to go by these angles, will probably be at the daily. It'll probably be somewhere around here, which is a 31.50-ish around level. Next chart I want to show you is the 914 high. If there's anything interesting there. There's a level of here. Nothing really, just pretty much chop mode right here. Another support level of that 32.26, and it just kind of failed all these levels. And I was hoping it was gonna, snap back up and test this, but it didn't. Next chart I want to show you is my 2-year 50% level right here. You could disregard all this. This is all old notes I left. It has a 50% level of that 34.07. It pierced and went up and failed, and now this is the same thing here on a daily chart. This kind of level you need to watch, but it failed a 50, so that's signs of weakness, if you ask me. Next level is my monthly spiral level. This is the kind of thing it just reminds me of tunnels in the air of WD Gann for all you Gannish cats out there. This is a level that it's pretty much holding that 33.63. I actually cracked that because it's at 33.47. So it failed this. But this is a spiral level that it failed, and this was the high up here, that 34.34. So right now, it's if it's going to find support, and this is a daily chart, it probably would find it at that 32.77 or ish around there, a spiral level, and then the next spiral level will probably be around that 31.68, which is an interesting number, if you ask me. Next chart I want to show you is I'm going fast just because I got a lot of stuff to show you. I haven't done a video in a while, so I just want to kind of like brush through things, and it's taking the time. This I know you guys remember if you've seen my videos. This is the Andrews Pitchfork monthly level, that 34.39, and it's I know I've retested it and failed, and now it's hovering down here. It could probably go all the way down here, or just consolidate and try to fight this angle and keep going up. So right now, another strong angle to watch. That's why I have an alert on it as a 34.39. Next chart I want to show you, and I'm going fast on this, is my 20-year. Yeah, I did that same thing. Got so many charts I always look at. And my fib grid. Look where it kissed it right on the dot at that 34-ish, 34 around there. Kissed it right there, which is 34.39, which is the Andrews Pitchfork monthly trend line right there. And this is another support, which is a 31.68. So key levels to watch. It's look at that. It's like a dragonfly there, or I can't remember the candle name for that. But interesting to know. And I think one more I probably got to show you. Is it the 3 year? Look at this angle right here. And this is price and time. And this is the 1 by 1. And it pierced it right there. Look at that. It pierced it right there at the 33.73. It cracked it. So another level that it's interesting to watch. So we got to see if if this is going to hold like this. If it just starts cracking it from here, if you do a trend line from here, if it takes out that level and it takes all these out, then it's gonna go down. So it's just something to know there. And I think that's it for let's see what's here. Oh, this is pretty much other indicators I use on the daily. It's still above the 20. It's just in chop mode right here on the mobile. So that's, look at the 4 hour. It's below the cloud. So it's not looking good. It's having resistance up here at these levels. There goes the 50. There's the 20 right there. And that 20 is at 33.65. It already cracked that. It's at 33.46. So it's around here. So it cracked already the 20. Failed the 50. Below the cloud. Not looking good. Not looking good at all. Look, there's a bunch of support down here. And if you look at the hour on the euro, it's 33.47 around here. It's around here, and it pretty much cracked the linear regression line on the hourly, and the cloud. It's dancing around there. It's trying to find support. So it cracked all this. So it's not really looking good for the euro as of right now. But let's look at the big picture. Let's see what we got here going on. We got here the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 12-hour chart. Monthly still looking very bullish. Cherry signal here. Finally got an arrow on the monthly on a sell, but nothing like a purple, which is the strongest one. Still looking bullish down here. So it's just maybe a little bleep right here. On the weekly, the trend is looking weak. Got an arrow on the TEMA to sell. Looks like a snapback wants to go up and catch up to the 50, but all this is against it. Look at that. Sell signal on the MMG pointing down. Blue bars, brown waves going down. Hasn't cracked the zero, so it's not looking good on the weekly, if you ask me. A lot of resistance up here. The 200. There's a support here at the 500. The 100's right here, simple moving average. The 20's down here, so it's a lot of support. But right now, it's kind of weak. Two red weekly candles, red, not looking good. On the daily, you got a full moon over here. You had a new moon, which I thought it was gonna go up here and just keep going up, and maybe failed on the new moon, but it faked everybody out, and it just kind of went down and went sideways and got a pop today, and it's just kind of weak. TEMA is keeping you in trend, letting you know, hey, it's still on a downtrend, nothing looking good. Mobo down, 50s here with the 5 and the 20 CCS is pretty much going sideways. We had a buy, not a buy signal, but it looks like it was going to get Momo to the upside, and now everything is just pointing down. A wave pointing down on a brown bar, red. On the 12-hour, looks like a squeeze play is set on these two candles. So pressure is building up right now, and it's going to go somewhere, but everything is just pointing down as of today, so it's not looking good. I want to let you know that I got short right here at that 34, 33-ish level, because, I was like, it's either going to break through the 50 and stop me out, or going to fail it, and it's going to get more Momo to the downside. So that's where I'm at right now. And my stop is probably up on this candle up here. So it's either going to, get more selling pressure, which I kind of think it is. There's support here at that 100. So it got a snapback, and, it's risky, but I think it's gonna sell and it's gonna crack. The thing that scares me is that this is getting some pressure to the upside right here, and it's building pressure going up. So it might blow me away, but we shall see. So as of right now, weekly, not looking good. Selling pressure, cracked the 50 on the MMG. Purple Fisher still strong. This is one of my favorite indicators. Let me know, where to be on the trend, on the bigger picture. And snapback could possibly go up, but everything is so against this that it's looking more on the downside than on the upside. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll keep posting more videos as they come. Peace.